Hi there, thanks for tuning in to JWNet. Alright, I'm John Wee. Alright, now I'm in London, staying in the Airbnb. Over here I only have a microwave oven, alright, and toaster. So what I'm going to demonstrate to you right now is to do some cooking using just microwave oven and toaster. Okay, I only have right now kale, alright, which is very cheap. Everything you see here is only just £1 the item, and you can use it for a couple of days. Portobello mushroom, alright, sausage, bacon, and eggs, alright, and I'm going to do poached eggs as well. Okay, so to start off with, alright, let me show you how to put the kale. Alright, I'm going to put them in, alright, and boil it using boiling water. Okay, here's how you do it. Alright, just set them aside. Put a little bit of salt. Set them aside. Let it cook slowly. And I have 2 portobello mushrooms. See how big it is. Alright, and I just want to put some butter in it. Alright, and add some salt. Alright, you can see it now, yeah, and a bit of pepper. Very simple. Okay, I'm gonna pop them right into the microwave oven. Alright, cook it for 1 minute. So now we're going to prepare the next item. Okay, alright, next item will be sausage. I will have 2 sausages. And 2 slices of the bacon. Alright, get them ready, put them aside. And the next thing will be the poached eggs. Hold the boiling water inside. I'm going to have 2 poached eggs. Okay. And now crack the egg inside. Okay, I'm going to put everything aside. Look at this. I think I'll need another 1 minute to go. Alright, I just put 30 seconds anyway. We'll see how it goes. Okay, get ready. The ciabatta bread today, alright, is freshly baked at the bakery. No, freshly baked at Cordon Bleu. Alright, we're having the classes today. Alright, it's very nice olive ciabatta. I'm going to use the butter knife to cut it because this Airbnb I don't have other equipment. Alright, I run another 30 seconds. Ciabatta bread. See, nice and soft, and some olive as well. Alright, just leave it here. let's check the mushroom. Yeah, they're cooked already. Put them aside. Next thing will be sausage and bacon. Let's start setting the plating. See, everything is just, there's no frying, alright, so it's very healthy. Very, very healthy, and then very light as well. I'm gonna run another 30 seconds. I just like kale every time when I go overseas, alright, it's so cheap overseas. Alright, then now the portobello mushroom. I'm gonna put the poached eggs on top of the portobello mushroom. Alright. Okay. The sausage is almost done. I'll just cook another 30 seconds. Alright, this is all done. This is done. Next will be the poached eggs. Put the two of it inside. Okay, another 30 seconds. Now set the plating. Alright, I'm going to put it nearer so you can see it clearer. Alright, another 30 seconds. So look at the nice juice here. I'm just putting some of it on the mushroom and some of it on veggie. You're not going to waste it. So I'm going to get the bread ready for you. Now let's check out the poached eggs. Well, I think a little bit longer, just a little bit more. Alright, and this is so easy. Alright, every time when I go overseas, I'll think of a way, alright, to cook using whatever material you can source from the supermarket here. Alright, now the poached eggs is ready. Okay, I'll just put it aside first. Alright, I'm going to drain off the poached eggs, the water in the poached eggs. Okay. Look at this. Okay, nicely done poached eggs. Alright, the other poached eggs I'm going to drain off as well. Okay, another one. All right. I'm sure you like this. Okay. Just add a little bit salt on top of it. All right, and pepper. Okay, I didn't even use the toaster for this one because the bread is freshly baked. All right, let's get ready for eating. Right, see how easy it is. Right, everything done within 10 minutes. Okay, and I'm gonna spend another 5 minutes eating it. Well, we can say this is a all-day breakfast. Well, look at this kale. All right, it's so nice. Sausage. Fantastic. I'm gonna try the bacon. Nice. Let's try the poached eggs, okay? Nice. It's so easy. Now I'm gonna try the portobello mushroom. Look at that. It's so juicy. Alright, imagine all this is every item is just £1 each, and every item you can use it for maybe 4 days. So something like every meal is just about one over pound. Fantastic. Alright, add a little bit of the ciabatta, a bit of butter. This is what I like, simply with butter. Life is just so nice. Okay, all right. I'll continue eating. All right, and do tune in again next time. All right. See you. Bye bye.